This is a quick tutorial on how to use your dashboard as a delivery partner. We have three kinds of requests. We have the pickup request, then we have the pickup and deliver, then we have the drop-off request. We have these pricing tiers. That's in case you want us to pick up for you, how much we charge for pickup. In case you want us to do the drop-off for you, this is how much we equally charge. So every delivery company would have special pricing. And this is the request status. Let's say you want to give us a request. You go to new request, business name, let's say Darabo, and the number is 05025. The pickup date, then the location, assuming it's Adenta, the number of packages that we're expected to pick. What are the items? Maybe their bags, their shoes, then the pickup zone. So you know that. So these are what we use for the pricing. So if you know it's within Accra, it's within here, you select which area that we are moving to. In case there are multiple pickups, you can add on and on and on. You select the branch you want us to do the pickup. Then you go to create request. So the request has been created and our team will get it. You can view what is happening to the request. In case we haven't picked up, you see everything from here. Assuming you send a parcel through VIP to us, you use a pickup and deliver. In case you have a receipt for us, so the parcel service like this, you use VIP. In case you have a tracking code or something, then the pickup office, let's say it's at Circle. I'm using this as a receipt, as an example. You can attach the receipt for us. Then the scheduled date that is likely for us to receive it. Let's say it's on Monday. In case there's any instructions you want from us, and then the number of packages you expect us to have. Let's say we have about 10. We get maybe their bags, their days, and in case all the packages that are coming, we want them to pick from our office or we want them to do doorstep. Either works, right? So we can pick doorstep. Then in case you don't have the details of the packages yet, maybe you ask us to do an errand to pick some packages, you don't have the details yet, you select this. If you have the details, you have to provide for us. So with that, you can add the recipient. So let's say one, it's maybe Kwame, the number is this, then let's say it's Adenta, right? Then the location, we know the zone. In case it's before Kaswa, whatsoever, there is who's paying. Is it that you are the one paying or the recipient is the one paying? So the item, maybe it's clothing, we want us to take money apart from the delivery fee. So let's say in case it's a POD, so you know that we have to take, let's say, 40 cedis in addition to delivery. Yes, you have some information for us. Let's say it's a fragile item, we can note it for us. You can add on and on and on and on. So in case you are the one paying for the delivery, you go to create request, so we will know that you're the one paying for the delivery, right? So we have the other section, a drop-off request. So let's say your rider is bringing packages to us, so we go to, maybe it's coming to the Yas Hotel, he's bringing it today, so we can tell us the number of packages. So just as the other one worked, you can just do it the same way. It's quite simple. And then the location, let's say Kumasi, let's say it's coming to Kumasi, then we'll add Kumasi to the zones for delivery companies that are using us for House and Accra. The item, in case we have to take a COD, let's say it's 180 cedis, you can add on and on and on and on to it. Then we can go to create request. So it's quite simple. So the request will come to our end, then we approve it. So anything that happens, you will see it on the dashboard, basically. Then we also have wallets and invoices. So anytime you are booking an order, if you're the one paying, we require that there's money on your balance, so you can top up over here. Maybe you want to top up and raise this. So anytime you give us an order, we can be drawing down from this. In case we give you a credit limit, you have outstanding fees to pay, and then we'll debit it from your wallet. Then in case we do any payment on delivery, COD and all of that, you're going to see all of it happening here. So it's quite simple. You don't have to chase us and it becomes quite simple for all of us. Then my orders is what is happening. If we work on the order, you see over here, it's picked up, it's delivered, it's cancelled. Yeah, you get to see whatever is happening. So you can track the order, know what's happening and all of that. Then basically come to your dashboard, you see again what is happening on your dashboard. If there's any pending, like we created a pending order, you get to see it here and all those kind of things. So it's quite simple. And whilst we do this, the next step is that in case we also have packages for delivery companies in our network, so delivery companies can communicate with delivery companies. Let's say we have Speedride, we have Send It on board, and Speedride wants to give packages. Maybe Darabo might be occupied, but Speedride or send it, or just in time might be available. So just in time can also connect their orders to another delivery company. So it's going to be like a network of delivery companies working together, so that we are all working together to achieve a common goal in the industry. Yeah, so it's it. So in case you see any error, there's any bug, there's anything, kindly draw attention to it, then we quickly fix them and we proceed on from there. Thanks everyone.